Okay. First problem is 8 times 4 plus 9 plus 17. You should be working this out somehow, whether on the whiteboard or a piece of paper. Remember, you don't have to show me your board or your paper or tell me your answer until I'm like, show me your answer. Eight times 4 in parentheses plus 9 plus 17. All right, Landon, it's just not letting you in today. So you're just going to have to focus with me, Landon. I want to see some work, bud. Dun, da, da, da. Okay, you guys have about 30 more seconds to try this. Remember, parentheses first. Think about the steps you have to do. All right, let's go over this one together. Dun, da, da, da. Remember, if you don't get it right, that's okay. We're still learning. So 8 times 4 is 32. Then I have 32 plus 9 plus 17. So we move this way to that way, left to right. So 35 plus 9 is 44 plus 17. 61. Did I add wrong? Oh, wait, it's 32. Why did I say 35? Just kidding. JK, pretend like Mrs. Kneifel didn't just mess up. There, it is 58. Sorry, Mrs. Kneifel made a mistake. Oh, see, isn't it good we practice? Because even Mrs. Kneifel's not perfect. So you should have gotten 58. Give me thumbs up if you got that 58 or show me your screen. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to give you another problem. Okay. Okay, your problem is 40 divided by 8 times 3. 40 divided by 8 times 3. The 40 divided by 8 is in the parentheses. As you finish, just give me 1 second. Some people are still finishing up. Remember, I want to see some work, peeps. Dun, da, da, da. Okay. 8 divided, or 40 divided by 8 equals 5. And if you know your multiplication facts, 5 times 8, you know is 40, so that's easy. And then I have 5 times 3 equals 15. Let me see your work, people. How'd you do? Give me thumbs up. I am seeing some good work. All right. Next one. I want you to tell me what place value the 8 is in. It's 70, it's 7, 8, 4, 6, 5. What is the place value of the 8? What place value is the 8 in? I want you to write the number, but I also want you to write it in words. Write it in words too. The blank place. You know, is it the tens place, the ones place, the 100,000ths place? Tell me in words too. It is not in the ones place, Logan. Try again. You guys can show me your board whenever you're ready. Corgan, yep. Gage, yep. Mackenzie, you have the wrong words, but you have the right number. It is the thousands place. 5s is in the 1, 2s is 10, 4 is hundreds, 8 is thousands, which makes the 7 the 10,000s place, okay? You may erase your board. This is just a simple addition problem, but I want to make sure you can line it up. 9,178 plus 468. Are you able to line this up and add it appropriately is the question of the day. No, I just wrote it like this. I want you to be able to line it up and be able to add it. $9,178 plus 468. You don't have to show me your board yet, Gage. Just wait a minute. We're going to work it out together. You don't have to show me your board yet, Logan. People are still working. We're just waiting a minute. We're being flexible and patient. 2, line it up. I always put the bigger number on top. So you have 8 plus 8, which is 16. Carry the 1. 7 plus 6 is 13. Plus the 1 is 14. Carry the 1. 4, 5, 6, 9. Plus nothing is 9. So you have 9,646. I'm seeing some correct answers. If you got the correct answer, make sure you give me a thumbs up if I can't see your board. Cool. I want you to do, that's not what I want you to do. I want you to do 5 to the third power. 5 to the third power. 5 to the third power. 5 times 5 times 5. That's wrong. That's 5 times 3. This is 5 to the third power. Remember, it is not 5 times 3. That is not the question. The question is not 5 times 3. It is 5 to the third power, which means your problem should look like this. 5 times 5 times 5. Corgan, that is not correct. Nope. Gage, you're right. Evan, you're right. All right, so if we did 5 times 5 first, I'm going to throw it in parentheses. This way I know I'm doing that one first. 5 times 5 is 25. And then 25 times 5 equals 125. So 5 to the third power is 125. It is not 15. Okay, we're going to do another one like that. Let's do 3 to the third power. It is not 3 times 3. That is not the answer. 3 to the third power. All right. So the problem would look like this. 3 times 3 times 3. The first 3 times 3 I'm going to put in parentheses. That way I know I do that first, and that is 9. And then 9 times 3 equals 27. Give me a thumbs up if you got 27. Or if you didn't get 27, do you know where you made your mistake? What if I did 4 to the third power? Same type of thing, except we're using 4. It is not 4 times 3. It is 4 to the third power. 4 times 4 times 4. Hold on. All right, so to write out the problem, Mrs. Kneifel does 4 times 4 times 4. I'm going to do the first 4 times 4, which is 16. And then I have 16 times 4, which Mrs. Kneifel just doesn't know off the top of her head. So I'm going to actually work it out. And I got 64. 4 times 4 times 4.
I was telling you why I was leaving for a quick second.
Okay. Well, if you would have left and just came back, I probably wouldn't have noticed for that 1 second. So how about if it's 10 to the fourth? Do you guys know the special tricks when it's 10 to a power? We'll write it down then.
Is it 10 to the power of 4?
Yes, it is 10 to the power of 4. There's a magic trick for the tens. All right, so what is my magic trick? My magic trick, it would be 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, but who really wants to do that? Instead, I can look at this lovely number 4 and know it is a 1 with 4 zeros, right? Oops, I put my comma in the wrong place. So it's 10,000. The 4 tells us how many zeros, so it's like a little special trick that we do with the tens. All right, we're going to do one more problem, and then we will be out of time for today. One more problem. All right, this one's a little bit longer. 10 to the second power plus 50 times 3. So remember, you have to do multiplication before you do addition. So think about that. 10 to the third plus 50 times 3. All right, we are about out of time. So 10 to the second power is 10 times 10. 10 times 10 equals 100 plus 50 times 3. 50 times 3 is 150. So now I have 100 plus 150, which equals 250. Woohoo! 250 was that answer. We are out of time today, though, I believe. So you guys are free to leave me. This video will be posted. There's no code word for Math RTI, Nolan. No code. You are free to go. This will be posted in case you need to review. See you later. You guys need to put on gym shoes if you have gym shoes. If you don't